2022. This one here, I got a call from a lady. She got a problem with the tub. The lift spout on the tub is sticking or not working or something, and she wants me to go by there and see if I can fix it or change it out. I think that she had a fancy tub diverter spout last time, a fancy valve, and I told her I just got the regular basic chrome ones. I don't have any brushed nickel or any kind of black ones. So she says she's not too picky with that. She just wants something that works. So go by there and see if we can see what's going on, what kind of diverter it is, see if we can swap it out for her so she can take a shower. Alright, this spout just says try to leak it. It's running down here and making a flipping mess, so we're going to change it. Get it out of there. Oh, there you go. It fell apart. Ooh. What we got there? Looking so kosher, is it? Ain't that pretty? I should go and back that out of there. Nothing but quality here. I'll put a male adapter or a brass nipple. Do that. And come right out with a male adapter. That's what I'll do. Male adapter and a piece of pipe with another male adapter. This thing's fell right apart. Oh, it looks like that broke right there. That's what broke. Must have been screwed in. That broke. We'll fix it. Rocket science. Slide that on and we'll cut it. We'll stick it in there and show you. Give it the old douche. The old cold water douche. I'm gonna have to cut it again. Once we get it in there, I'll have to cut it again. Like this piece that's got the male adapter on it. Teflon. Little pipe dope. Make sure it's tightened up good. Alright. Put another male on there, just loose. Get that on where it goes. Yeah, it's gonna go in a little bit more, so 3 1/4 is what we need. 3 1/4. Gotta cut 3 1/4 off that. That's how you do it. 3 1/4. It's a cut. Keep it simple. That's my motto. Keep it simple. Be careful though, you don't want to gotta be careful because you don't want to drip anything onto this plastic tub. Any hot solder would melt right through the tub because this is a plastic tub, so I'm gonna be careful about that. There we go, that's better. Anything drips, it'll drip into the bucket. I might be eating a shit sandwich on this job. Be careful we don't burn anything. Make sure you don't put the flame. Pipe dope. It's tight. That's what I want. I want you to do it. Nice and tight. Ain't going nowhere.